Okay, so here's the video explaining to you how to install and use HoN Avatar Manager. So first of all, on the forum page as well as my GitHub page, you can see the detailed guide how to do this. So for example, here on the mod forum, you can see the how to install section. And also if you scroll down a bit, you can see the link to the GitHub, where you can see again the same guide here. So first of all, you need to install the Powershell core. This is the command line like program that allows you to run some commands inside a Windows, Linux or macOS. So go on this page, scroll down a bit into the assets, and here you can see a bunch of the executable files that will install this on your machine. So for me, for example, I have the Windows x64, so I click on the Win64 install, and I could save it somewhere on my PC. So now you need to go to the folder and install this one. So I already have this installed, so I could go to Windows, type PowerShell, and here you can see the Windows PowerShell. This is the default one for Windows. We don't want to use this. So we need the PowerShell 7 x64 application here. So you right click on this one, click run as administrator, and this will open something like this. So this is the window that we'll be working on during the HoN Avatar Manager right now. So moving back to the guide, you need to install or update the Avatar Manager to the latest version. So I have this installed right now, so I will update this one. So just copy this, go to the window, Ctrl V and enter. This should take a while to install this one, depending on how much it's the current size of the module. So as you can see here, it is installing, downloading. Okay, so it should be now installed here. You could now move to the how to run section. So once again, open the PowerShell core as administrator. I have this one opened. Now you need to import module. So copy and paste this one. Now you can verify if it's imported or not. Simply type get module, and you could see the first one on Avatar Manager and the current version here. So you could always go to the PowerShell gallery, I think, and check for the latest release. I think I have this one somewhere here. This is the PowerShell release, and this one the module release. So go on this page and see the latest version is now 0.1.8. Okay, so now it's imported and we can use all the commands inside the module. So let's say I want to set the path to the HoN executable. So the program is configured that your Heroes of Newer's folder is located on the disk C, program files, Heroes of Newer's. So if your game located somewhere else, you should open this folder with the Heroes of Newer's, copy the path here, and type the following commandlet. So set HoN path dash path and copy the path here. So if you click enter, this will set the Heroes of Newer's path to the module, and all the other commands should now execute correctly. I have the one scene mentioned here, so this is something about the completion result. So in the PowerShell, if you click tab button, so for example, if I once again type the commandlet name and dash, I could tap the tab button and it will show me what parameters I could use. So for example, I want to set the path variable, and now it completes the result for me. So this is something helpful for you to use the module. Okay, right now we could start setting the avatars. So type something like set hero avatar. You could click dash and you could select the hero first. So if I click tab again, it will display me all the heroes that we have in the game. So I recommend you first go into my GitHub page. This one should be here. Go to the issues and open this issue right here, Hero Avatars Testing. So here you can see the list of all avatars that I've tested myself, all the heroes and avatars. This is marked like done here. So feel safe to use them because I tested them in my game. This doesn't mean that all other avatars will not work, it just means that they could work, but I'm not guaranteed it at this moment, so it should take some time for me to test all of them, but you can use some of them right now. So okay, let's say we could try to set the avatar for the accursed hero. Click enter, it will complete. Now type dash again, select the avatar parameter and click tab again. So it will now show you the list of all hero avatars for the accursed hero. So you could navigate here using the arrow keys, select the avatar that you want to set and click enter again. Now in the latest version of the module I've added some debug output here. Don't worry, it will just show you what exactly the program does. So if it's information right here, it means that everything is okay. If it's error, that means something is wrong and you could submit an issue on my page. So right now we set the avatar and you can open the game folder onto your Heroes of Neuros folder and see that we now have a resources accursed.s2z file. So this is the file with the hero avatar. So this one I've just used for testing. So in your view of the world, you should see something like this. So this one is files that HoN have as default resources, and this one, this program just created here. So now I could open the Heroes of Neuros. And validate that the avatar is set correctly. So open the Learn panel and open the accursed here. So, you know, this could happen sometime. The throwback avatar could be looking something like this. I didn't fix this right now, but since you've been playing with the default avatar, this should be okay for you. So as you can see, the default avatar is now the green king that we just set. And you can validate it opening this mark here. The following files were loaded by a client, and you can see that resources accursed is loaded right now. Okay. So this is how to set avatar. Let's talk about one more commandlet that is for deleting. So remove hero avatar is the commandlet to remove the avatar that we just set. So you could either type just all and it will remove the resources from here, or you could delete it for a specific hero. So click yes and it will display again the list of the heroes here. This is not something that you want to do from the command line. It's, I think, easier to just go to your game folder and manually remove the resources file here, but you can still do it from here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you use the HoN Avatar Manager. Feel free to leave any feedback from here. I will try to do my best fixing all the avatars for the 1.0 release.